I'm very excited to be telling you about our new competition where you can win this amazing machine. It's the Janome MC9400QCP. Bit of a mouthful, I know, but it really is a great bit of kit. It comes with amazing features. It has great big throat here. Not only is it a long throat, long space, but it's very high as well, so you can get a lot of quilt in there. The lighting is brilliant under there, and you've got standard kind of 2 LED lights over your sewing position. But on this machine, we've got additional lighting that comes out, and you can pull it out and you can twiddle it. I just love this. By comparison to those yellow lights that I've got on my machine at home, this is really amazing. It comes with a whole raft of embroidery stitches. I don't even know how many, there are just so many. Just is fantastic. But it is very user-friendly. It comes with 3 different plates that go on here. One for all of the decorative stitching, but the other 2 are, again, very user-friendly because one is for quilting and one is for the professional feet that also come with the machine. So I'm already in love with those 2 bits. As standard, you will get this extra large extension table, which they have really thought about the feet on. The feet clip on and clip off, so it's easy to transport with you. And I normally use a knee lift at home. I'm in love with that on my current machine. It comes with that too, but you can customize it so that the feet also, or so that the machine automatically does that for you. So there's a whole range of things which you can customize. One of these could be yours if you enter the competition, and it really is a great bit of kit.